Hello world. You are watching Tech Gourd. We are the greedy tech geeky. In this video, we are going to show step-by-step guide for how to project or cast mobile to Windows laptop. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Let's begin. For casting or projecting mobile screen to laptop or PC, you need to install additional Windows feature, which is simple and easy. Go to Settings on your Windows PC. Go to Apps. Then click on Optional Features. Under Add an optional feature, click View Features, and search for Wireless Display. Check the box, and click on Next. Now click Install. Wireless Display feature will be installed to your PC. Now navigate to System in Settings. Scroll down and click on Projecting to this PC. Under First drop-down, select Available Everywhere, or Available Everywhere on secured networks. This is helpful when you are connected to public Wi-Fi. Under Ask to project to this PC, you can select either of these options. It is up to your preference. You can set the PIN if required. So whenever a phone tries to project to the PC, user will have to enter this PIN to verify and connect. Under Last option, it is again, as per your preference, to enable casting only while laptop is charging. Below that, check the PC name, as this name will be shown in mobile to cast your screen. After setup is completed, click on Launch the Connect app to project to this PC. Henceforth, you just have to launch the Connect app, and you can cast the mobile screen. Your phone and PC must be connected to same network. Now, in your phone, simply click on Cast and select your PC from the list. Or you can go to Settings and search for Screencast and search for your laptop to cast. On your phone you may get prompt to start casting. Tap Start Now. Now you should be able to see your phone's screen on the PC. You can even operate your phone using PC. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and never miss such videos.